Hi there and welcome into my channel. I'm in today here with a wee make and some of the things that I use to make it. I've been buying some shaker dies lately. I've been doing some shakers. This is a die here that I bought off the AliExpress, and you could use it just for normal lips, but it comes with all these inserts in it for Dracula teeth and blood drops. So here is a wee quick shaker that I made with that. I put the red and the blood spots down the bottom there and just some white glitter in the top. There's some white bits in the bottom, but mostly in the top. If I was going to do it again, I think I would use glitter card for the lips or mirror card for the lips and put more filling in it, but it was just a wee trial to try it, so it turned out okay. I think that die, it was less than £3 anyway, and it's a good size. It is just over 10 centimetres by just over 5. So that's the first one there. The second one I bought was a set of Christmas mittens. Now you can either buy just the set of 3 mittens, like the left hand, or you can buy both sets, which gives you like the right hand, the left hand, and all the wee bits, you know, the zigzags to go on it and patterns and things. So I bought the 2 of them. It was a bit more expensive. I think it was about £7, £7 odds for the 2 sets. But as you can see here, I've split a set down and I've done a set of dies. You can cut out just a hole with this die here, the inside one. You can cut out the solid die, and then the one on the outside gives you, if you cut the 2 of them together, it gives you your shaker. So we'll see some wee projects I made with that one. So first there's the tiny mitten. I just put some, and I've stuck to the same kind of theme here. I'm just using this wee poinsettia flower that I bought last year, and I'm sure that's some tattered lace foliage that's on it, and some of my eyelash ribbon, my wool, sorry, and I've put some wee micro beads in green and some of the wee berry dots as well. So that's the first shaker. Here's the second one I've done. Put some jingle bells on there. I put some fake snow, some green beads and some red sequins in there. The wee flowers, done a couple of the wee flowers for layering up there like that. A wee snowflake and, as I said, 2 wee jingle bells. Excuse me. And here's the biggest one. I've done the biggest one. So I've put some, again, some sequins in it. There's no micro beads in this one, just sequins. A wee Christmas jingle bell, some of the flowers, a wee snowflake, and some of this kind of eyelash twine. I put some white and some in the green and red, just to keep the green and red. And you can see in the background there, that's the zigzag pattern that you get with it, and I've put it on them all. And that gives me like a complete set. And the last one here is a Santa's boot. Again, this comes in the left and the right, but for this one I've only just bought one. I thought one would be enough. You get your whole outside die. Your shaker die is a separate piece this time, which I prefer. You've got a furry bit for at the top. Normally you cut that out of your funky foam and you can put glitter on it and things, and it gives you for a good result. Or there's just a plain top bit that you can put at the top, see, there, like that. They give you a Merry Christmas die, but they also give you the backing plate for the Merry Christmas die as well, which was a good thing. And then they give you a wee band for going across it and a buckle so that it looks like Santa's boot, you know. Excuse me. But because I'm in the shakers mood, I made a shaker with it. And there's the shaker there. This fur is, I've got a fake fur coat that hangs on my chair because I craft outside. That's a wee bit wet there, that'll stick back up. I don't know how I got it wet. And I just cut bits off it when I need bits off it. Again, I've used the same poinsettia just to keep in with the theme. So white sequins, some green sequins, and some red micro beads, and some of the wee red spots. So I hope you like them. Oh, so it must have a leak, look. So there must be a leak somewhere in my boot. I'll need to go round about and have a look and see. That's the thing with, there it's there. That's the thing with shakers, you need to make sure that they are utterly and completely sealed or all your wee bits pop out. But see that there? It's no hard fix, don't worry about it. Get some of your glue, put it in a wee stick and put it in. I'll tell you what else you can do with the Yoo-hoo. You can put a wee bit in your finger and see where the leak is. Just go over and pull it in and pull it into the seam and put it over the top of the join as well, and that will seal that up there. And your glue will be on the back because you're going to stick it down or use it as a card or something like that anyway, so you'll not see that. So there you are. Right, I'll move that away. See, it's no spilling anymore. There you go. I hope you liked that. Just short and sweet today. I'm not sure how much the Santa was. It was less than £3 anyway. Excuse me, I'm a bit of a frog in my throat. But I thought the gloves were cute. You could use them for on parcels or whatever. I just cut out loads of wee things, like loads of these wee flowers, ink some of them and keep some of them plain, and I just keep them at the side of my pot here, my table, and I just use them as I need them. Okay folks, if you liked that wee video, give me a like and subscribe, a wee thumbs up, tell your friends where I am. Happy crafting, and I'll see you all again the next time. Bye.